Today, we will know VISME and how to use it. But before that, what is VISME? According to Naomi Chibana, a journalist and writer for VISME's Visual Learning Center, VISME is an all-in-one tool for making interactive visual content. VISME can help you create great instructional material like presentations in a few hours. Now, we're going to make presentation with VISME. Hello there, let's start with step 1. Log in your account. Make sure that you have VISME account and go to www.visme.com and enter your name, email, and password. Click the login button in the upper right and try to sign in. Step 2. Create a project in VISME. Click on the Create New option at the upper left corner, New Project, and choose Presentations options to browse through all the available templates. Let's wait for a minute while it is loading. Okay. And voila! The presentations template. Now, step 3. Choose template. Choose a template which is related to your content or subject matter. You are free to pick from available options, or you can create one from the scratch. It is now your choice. But me, I choose the Chronos template since it is plain and simple. As you can see, click edit and wait to load. Okay. Just wait. Okay. And now, we already have a template. Next, step 4. Choose a color scheme. Pick a background from one of the options provided above. You can freely choose whatever you want. Okay? Any color that you want. It can be photos, patterns, or gradients, or animated, as long as suitable for your presentations. Here, I choose color like purple or dark blue. Next, develop a theme. Since you have an idea of the colors that you want to use, you can now decide for a unifying theme appropriate to your content. My topic here is law of demand. I customized the text earlier to make it what it is right now. As you can see, this is the law of demand. Next is step 6. Find the right images. Click the image button provided in the top left corner. Okay, right here. Okay, you can freely choose whether upload image, my image, or the template image from VISME. Me, I insert a desired image that can contribute to the overall look of my presentation, which is the demand curve. I drag it here, I adjust it to fit, and make it a representation, okay, for law of demand. I adjust the text, okay, and adjust the image. Okay, next is step 7. Select fonts. Click the text, the law of demand text, okay, right there. And there's a font red at the top, okay, as you can see. You can choose any font fit to your presentation, okay, adjust it, okay, just choose one. Adjust of course the font size according to your choice, of course. Okay. After that, and continue to edit the others. Just check the font, choose the right font for this one, and okay. Okay, next is step 8. Insert text. Now, I have a new slide here to insert the new text. Okay. Go to the head and text at the upper left corner, click And you can see various template for your choice. Here, I add the title and type what I need to present. Okay. I type what is the law of demand. Okay. I adjust it. Check it. I adjust the font. Okay. And lastly, drag it to the top left of the slide. Okay. Okay, let's proceed with step 9. Choose icons. Click the graphics button. Ayan, okay. Then an icon category will appear in the screen. You can choose to the given category or search for your desired icon. Okay. I click the icon, search for people, which I think the one who has demand, of course, for any good or services. I drag it out, adjust the icon, and okay. Ayan, okay. And change its color by clicking the color thread above. Okay. And to make this fit the presentation. Okay, next, step 10. Create graphs and charts. Here, I provide a new slide by clicking the new slide button at the top right corner. Okay, then click the chart grapher button. Then a graph chart sample will appear. You can choose whatever graph you will use depending on its appropriateness to your content. Here, I choose to make a demand curve, as you can see. Okay, next, I use scattered from this, from chart data. You can see the Excel where you can edit your data. Okay, you can also, of course, as you can see, import data from G Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and many more. In settings, you can see the heading where I type the title of my, of course, demand curve. Demand of mais. Okay. Okay, got it. And if you want to design your graph or chart, you can click the appearance. Yeah, right there below. Choose your color, any color that you want, as long as it is suitable to your presentation. And of course, customize it. It's now up to you. Next, step 11, check the presentation. As you consider, you must check your presentation to see if the information you provided is correct. If there's something you think need to revise, of course, do it. Edit those parts. Last, step 12, publish and share. Once you check all the important aspects of your presentation, click the share button. A thread bar will appear. Okay, in the title, type your title. Of course, provide first the title of your presentation. Here, law of demand. Okay? And you can choose what mode will you save your work. You can share a link to your slide deck or embed it into your site. Okay. And exit. Okay, yay! You are now done. You made a presentation using VISME. I hope this helped you well. Thank you.